Hey guys, Cube here, and today you're watching my video on does cube color really matter. So right here I've got a primary color, not primary, yeah, I believe this is primary, a neutral color, undyed, white colored plastic, and black plastic. And I'm just going to go and show you pretty much what the difference is with all these puzzles. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to tell you the name of these cubes. Right here is a primary colored plastic, not primary, yeah, primary colored plastic or undyed plastic, chilong. Right here I've got a white dyed plastic, yulong. And right here is a YJ guanlong. So yeah, all these are YJ puzzles with the stock Moyu shades. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do a color comparison first of all. Okay, so this whole video is totally just for preferences, just to help you decide which one's best for you. So I'm going to do a sticker comparison. So all these guys have the same shades. They may look a little different, but that is just because of the color of the plastic behind it. Now these stickers are pretty thin, I'd have to say. Probably 0.5 millimeter, I don't know. So let's look at the blue and green here. So you can definitely tell on the black puzzle they do stand out a bit more darker as from the other ones. And with the white plastic, that you can definitely see they're much more stood out and bright. And these ones are like a medium tone. It's pretty weird with the undyed plastic. It's just kind of an illusion, I'd have to say. So now with the orange and red swap here, yeah, once again, these look. It actually looks a bit different. These ones look a lot more. The red looks a lot more darker. Oh, what am I doing? There we go. The red looks a lot more darker than all of these ones. Like, compare this to the white yulong. Look at that. The red looks a lot darker, actually. And the orange looks a much more pale. I don't know if it's just that they had to cut down on stickers or whatever. But if you look at this one, actually, it looks like the colors are kind of faded, I'd have to say. Just from the color look, they look like they're faded. The white definitely looks the best to me, just to my eyes. That's probably one of the reasons why I'm a white cuber. So yeah, that's pretty much it for sticker comparison. So overall in sticker comparison, what am I doing? There you go. Yep. These white guys right here, I can definitely tell that with the darker plastic behind it, it makes the colors a lot more, a lot darker. And with the light ones, it looks like just standard bright shades. And these ones, they look like they're a bit faded. So yeah, that's overall that. So now I'm going to go into performance-wise here. Actually, not performance. I'm sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and show you like the texture of the plastic on these guys. So I'm going to go and pop out an edge of each one of these. I'm just going to go ahead and feel if there's like any extra residue. These are all unlubricated, all of these. Okay, so they all have pretty much the same exact mechanism. So with the chilong or the undyed, the pieces they feel a lot more scratchy. I can definitely feel that. It's probably because there's no extra chemicals or anything on it. And with the yulong piece, definitely with the dyed, they feel a lot more smooth and sleek. And all three of these cubes are brand new. Literally, I got them like yesterday. And with the guanlong, it actually does feel a bit more textured. That's just the guanlong's cheap puzzle. Okay, so now let's get to the main question. Does cube color really matter? Well, overall, this is actually all preference. It's the way that the colors blend together, which most people with the new cubicle color picker, you can pretty much just change color whatever you want. So, not really a problem with that. But a lot of people have been wondering, really, does cube color matter? Honestly, no, since you can change the shades. But again, it's just recognition. Now, definitely with darker cubes, I can use a darker cube, but the colors are just, my eyes just see it a bit different. Honestly, I think it's just because just the lighting and the way that you're staring at the puzzle. Everybody's eyes are different, just like that, the dress thing. Just the way that the cube appears to you. Now, not a lot of people use primary color plastic, but I would actually say primary plastic performs better. I have no idea why, but the white cube I would probably say stands out the best for me, probably because I'm used to light colors and just the habitat around you. Like, if you probably live in a darker area, you probably use a black cube. Just common sense. You're used to a darker scenery. But some people just have superstitions that one cube's better than the other. I have no idea. Like, stigerless cubes are faster than normal ones. But cube color really matters quite a bit, actually. Back to the normal question here. Now, why does it matter, you may ask? Because, honestly, okay, I'm going to do the same solve on every single one of these. And I'm going to show you how cube color affects me, just for an example. Okay, so I actually did the scramble a little different on each one, just on the wrong side. So I'm going to start off with primary plastic here, undyed. And I'm going to do every single one separately, and I'm just going to time myself. So here you go, in recognition, these aren't too difficult scrambles. I definitely see the colors don't blind as well, so go. Go. Now on to white. That was really good. Now I finish it off with black. There we go. Okay, so those solves were not too bad. Now, recognition-wise, of course, white was the best since that's what I've been used to. But I think that might have been a new PB for me. I haven't reviewed the times yet, but yeah. For neutral color primary, I'd have to say that it was probably the worst for me. I would have to say recognition was pretty difficult. Colors just didn't blend together. Like that dark moisture gray, that didn't turn out very well. White stood out very nice because for me, the reason why I like white cubes is since the colors appear brighter. To me, I'm able to recognize the pieces a little bit quicker since they stand out more. The black one wasn't too bad, the guanlong. Again, the colors just don't stand out as much to me with the same cube. So I'm saying if I put the same color scheme on these, like my main color scheme, which is pretty much just the Moyu color scheme, just with a standard yellow and a standard red, it definitely turns out much better. Okay, so let's start wrapping this up here. I'm going to do a couple more things here. So, again, this is a full preference video, so let's get back to the main topic once again. Does cube color really matter? No, not really. Actually, I stand corrected. It matters a whole lot. I'm going to talk about the three main things that matter when cube color comes into hand. Oh man, this cube sucks. Okay, so sorry about that. Cube color matters a whole lot for three reasons. Number one, recognition, the big R. What recognition is, the way you can see the cube, where it pops out to you. Definitely a big part. So you can't, say I was going right here, solving this, and I mistake this orange for like a yellow, or this green for yellow, I'll be like, oh shoot, and I just screwed up the whole scramble. Now if I did that on a white cube with the same exact color scheme, I would definitely be able to recognize it better. It's just something, you should probably just buy 3 cheap puzzles, all in different 3 colors, and then just experiment to see which one you can recognize the best with. Maybe you just need to change a color or something. But yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is the way the colors combine. So combination. Some colors do not come out as well on a different cube. Like same exact color scheme right here. If I'm looking at this, bright, faded, bold. That's all I can say. Some colors will turn out better on different plastics, it's because some are thinner plastic. But definitely combination. If you don't like your stickers to be as thin, you can be able to see the difference in the puzzle. Because maybe you'll buy a bright green, but it'll turn out like super faded and like bright yellow. Well, then probably you should put it on a black puzzle. Okay, so that's not a big part. But the last part I have to say is just whatever one you got first. So the reason why I'm more into white cubes is probably because I just ended up buying a lot of white cubes. I don't know why actually. I just ended up getting used to it. So maybe you want to like try a week. It's preference. That's the last one. Sorry, P. Preference. You should try out several cubes. Like try black cube for like a week. Try white cube for a week, and try a primary for a week. And after doing that, maybe you want to break it down into 2 cubes, like these 2, and then decide from there which one you feel is the best for you. Now, for me, the way I did it was just simply, I honestly have no idea. Oh yeah, I do remember. Most of the puzzles I bought were white because most of them were out of stock, and I just wanted to get the puzzle as fast as I could. I actually really like the white. A lot of people don't like the white on white. I actually really like it. I don't know why, but yeah, so that's the 3 most important things at cube color that matters is 1 is recognition, 2 is preference, and 3 is combination. Definitely, those are the 3 most important things when it comes to choosing your cube color. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I know the primary and the white turn out, they look like they're pretty much the same color. This one's actually very different. Yeah, you can't really tell just because of the lighting. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you kind of, all I was trying to do is kind of let you know that if cube color really matters. And that is a definitely yes. As you can see from those times, some of them are pretty dramatically different, but not much. It's just that I've been practicing white cubes for a much longer time than all these other ones. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Yeah. 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 3-6 sucker. No foreplay all day.